Good morning, Chuck and Rick here in East Matagorda Bay. I almost said Thailand, America. Hey, today we are going back fishing. We had a great day yesterday. Didn't really catch big numbers of fish. We know where not to go today. It's hard to tell. Maybe they moved in. Who knows?
We're gonna go east.
East, okay. Anyway, it's just fun to be on the water. It's beautiful. The weather is beautiful. The sun is very hot though. So plenty of sunscreen on today. Had it on yesterday, but still got a little bit of a sunburn. Looks like we got a little bit of cloud coverage, which would be okay with me. But anyway, it's going to be a great day. I hope you guys come along with us, and I hope we catch a limit of trout. So yeah,
Two limits.
Can we do that legally?
Yeah.
A limit of trout is 5 per person per day of speckled trout, but you can catch sand trout and some other things. We've got a bucket full of fish to take to Paige's friend's house, so mission's accomplished as far as that goes. But anyway, this is a beautiful little harbor here. We're gonna get some shrimp this morning, and we're going fishing, by God. Rick forgot our sandwiches. I did too. That's okay. They got some snacks in here. We'll get some snacks. Do not bring bait in the store. Okay, let's get a couple sandwiches. Morning. Yeah, those look pretty good. Not as good as the ones I bought the other day though. That's correct. A quart of shrimp, please. Oh, okay. The last bit of shrimp?
The last quart, yes sir.
Wow, what a lucky day. Hopefully it doesn't run out now.
Put his tab right there.
When do you get more shrimp?
Later on this afternoon, probably around 2 o'clock. $40, $35.
Okay. Did you break 100 or I have to use a credit card?
Either way, I can
Okay.
do whichever one you want to do. This will be fine.
Okay, let's go. All right, got a quart full of, I don't know where he's going. It's 20 bucks for a quart of shrimp. Oh, it must be over here. And last quart of shrimp.
I know, I saw that. I was getting worried.
We'd have to throw out a net, huh? Very cool. Thank you, sir.
You have a good day.
You too. Okay. Well, we had a little bit of battery connection problem this morning. This fine gentleman, Rudy, pulled us into back into the shore, got her tightened up. That's an awesome boat you got there. I think we were out all day yesterday with no problems, so hopefully no more. I was trying to get a knot out of the line, and I bumped into my tripod and my camera went right into the ocean. But I was able to grab it, but I'm gonna have to let it. I've got this GoPro here. I know I've showed you guys this before, but this is why I don't like GoPro. This is supposed to be a waterproof camera, but if you use it all the time, that's what happens. You wear out the buttons and then it's no longer waterproof. But I didn't have the waterproof on the side here because you have to buy an adapter for wind noise to hook up a microphone, so you can't have them both on. But anyway, I'm gonna let it sit here dry in the sun. But I wanted to show you guys, in case you missed yesterday's video, our setup here. This is what is this, an 8/0 hook? Rick's just got him a fish, so we just pulled onto a spot here. We're right next to a shell reef with all the pelicans. And it's a what?
It's called oyster farm.
Oyster farm, and no bite. But we've got what's called a popping cork with a little swivel on top of that. Our weight, which is what is that? A 1 ounce?
Ounce and a half.
Ounce and a half weight. A slip knot, a couple of beads, and a treble hook. And we're using live shrimp today, so we're going to try to get a limit here before lunch. First fish of the day.
Why do these croakers always fool me?
You want me to net that for you?
Yeah.
Those things are actually pretty good eating, and I'm sure the Thai ladies would love that. But let's catch something a little bigger, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna let this one go.
Let it go. Well, this is a drum, my first keeper of the day. This is a good eating here. Well, got me a flounder on that little talon. Good looking fish, huh?
Damn right. We need to catch about 8 or 10 more.
Well, Rick got him a flounder. I got him in the net for him, and the hook came out. I wish I could film a little bit better, but my camera, I'm having camera issues since my GoPro just is dead in the water.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
We got 2 flounder in the boat. We finally got a redfish in the boat.
21 and a half.
Actually, I just caught one, but it was just under, and Rick just got him one. Nice looking fish.
Yep.
Good job. 20 inches.
21.
21. We may have to back up and drift again.
Well, we might just keep going.
That's number 2. Paige is going to get pissed if I don't get one of those. Good job. Well, what do you think, guys, huh? Texas redfish. This thing is very sweet to eat. Let's see how much he's got to be over 20. So I told Ricky he's about 24.
23, 24.
Yeah. Okay, let me get him in a box. That's it. Tired, headed back to the cabin or hotel or whatever it is. We got a ice chest full of fish. So actually we got to go clean them. So we're gonna head up to the harbor and clean a few. The ones I'm giving to the ladies, I'm just gonna bring them whole and let them clean them themselves. About you guys, but I am wore out and sunburned. Rick said he's just going to sit back there. It's like, okay, up to you. I got to go buy some ice. I told Paige's friend, I said, I'll catch the fish, but I cleaned a couple of them. I said, man, I'm too tired for this. So I called her and said, tell your friend she can clean her own fish. She's like, no problem. She's tired. She goes, no problem. I eat the whole thing. I'm like, okay, up to you. So let's go buy some ice. I want to show you guys the way they sell ice in America here. It's well, they have ice at the stores, but they have these little like trailers with ice, and it's pretty cool. How much is the ice? How much is the ice?
$2.
It is. Well guys, that's it. Had a great day. My GoPro is officially done. So I don't know if I'm going to get another one or not. I have no idea. I bought all those stupid accessories to make the sound quality good on this, but trash. Anyway, Rick made an awesome potato, butter, cheese, and brisket, barbecue brisket. That is awesome. Thank you, sir. Did you have fun today?
Yes, I had great.
I'm so tired right now. We're gonna get up in the morning, start headed home. I gotta buy a cooler, put those fish on ice, and deliver them to Paige's friend. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the fishing video. If you did, click like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.